Hello mga idol, may bagong content pala tayo. Nasa Smurf account ko lang po ako. I hope magustuhan nyo kahit medyo hindi maganda yung pagkaka-edit ng video. Music plays.
Boy, IY80 lang side man JR. Yaga, oh. I said I don't want
Dito mga idol, Karina pala ginamit ko.
I gotta do it.
My God!
Yeah, we used to be a team. Running the streets, yeah, we was living out our dream. Oh, you used to be my brother.
Inuna ko pala dito yung blue buff para makadalaw ako agad sa MM.
Into, oh, baby, you left to sell away.
Pagkatapos ko pala mag-blue, nag-red buff agad ako.
And now you got me trapped up on this island where nowhere to
Dito guys, napansin ko na yung core ng kalaban nagrepolyo, kaya agad akong pumunta para agawin. Pagkatapos nung makita ko na low HP yung MM ng kalaban, agad-agad kong pinuntahan kahit di pa ako nag-level 4.
if I gotta do it solo. Cause I was so high and now I'm so low. And I don't wanna walk around alone solo. And I don't want to walk this earth if I gotta do it solo. Solo as the feet onto my top line.
Pagkatapos ko mag-blue, pumunta agad ako sa turtle, kaya lang nauna na yung Hayabusa, kaso lang mas magaling ako mag-retre kaya ako yung nakakuha hahaha.
This that my heart would never sing again. Oh, when we were burning up the airwaves, you know it's
Tapos napatay ko pa yung Hayabuslat.
we was on our way to the platinum and gold. Never thought that you'd go, but you did that. Yeah, you did. Oh, and baby, you left and sailed away alone. And now you got me trapped up on this island where nowhere to get home. And I don't want
Pagkatapos ko mapatay yung dalawa, dinalawan ko agad yung kakampi ko sa XP, tapos napatay namin yung Pobios. Kaya lang grabe ang kunat ng betlog ni Pobios hahaha.
I don't wanna walk as so hello. I don't wanna walk as so hello. I don't wanna walk as so hello. If I gotta do it solo, 'cause I was so high and now I'm so low. And I don't wanna walk around alone solo. I said I don't want to walk it again. I gotta do it solo, solo.
Pagkatapos ko kunin yung turtle, pumunta agad ako sa Pobios. Kaso sa sobrang sakit at kunat ng betlog ni Pobios, nahirapan ako at muntikan pa ako ang mapatay, buti na lang tinulungan ako ng Thomas, kaya si Pobios pa yung napatay. Dito nakita ko MM nila na nagke-clear ng minions, kaso nagulat ako, akala ko nag-iisa lang yung MM nila, at dito napatay ko yung MM nila, kaso napatay rin ako. Sa Clash dati guys, sumobra yung lakas ng skill ng Karina. Sa sobrang fast hands ng daliri ko, wala akong napatay at bigla pa akong napa-recall. Habang nagpapahinga pa yung core ng kalaban, agad-agad na akong nag-lord. Kaso mabilis nakarating yung kalaban, kaya nagdadalawang isip ako kung ipagpapatuloy ko pa ba yung pag-low-lord. At buti na lang na-retro ko yung Lord, kaya nakuha ko. At napatay ko pa yung MM, kaso nabawian rin ako.
You look like you could be a Lisa or a Teresa. I don't think you know, but you should be with
Pagkatapos ko kumuha ng buff, agad-agad akong pumunta sa mid para sa madugong labanan at sa sobrang galing mag-set ng tank na ubos namin yung tatlo.
patiently. Cause I don't know what your name is, but I see you looking down. I really don't know what your man did, but he left you with the frown. I know what's out of the crazy, but please let me inside. I really don't know what the case is, but I want you to dry your eyes. No woman, no cry, no cry. Cause tonight is gonna be alright. You're gonna be okay.
Dito naubos ko yung mga kalaban at naka-maniac ako. Dahil sa galing rin ng mga kakampi ko, nanalo kami at salamat sa panonood mga idol at sana nag-enjoy kayo.
Victory!